What is up, beautiful people? It is your girl Rashima here. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this new video. So on my channel, I want to start a new series where I take you guys along with me as I learn how to use the Cricut machine. So the simplest way I can explain to you guys what a Cricut machine is, it's more like an arts and craft machine that can go and cut out different shapes on vinyl, paper, cardstock, anything, any surface. Well, for this machine it can do all of those things, but for the maker, that's a whole nother video, but we'll talk about that later. On my particular machine, I have the Cricut Explorer Air 2, and I want to take you guys along with me on my journey to learning how to use the Cricut. So today I actually want to set up my Cricut, and I want to show you guys the process, and I want to show you guys some of the accessories that I have to go along with my Cricut so that you guys can learn right along with me. So if you're interested in this content, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can come along on this Cricut ride with me, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can get a notification every time I post a new video. And let's get right into it. Alright guys, so this is some of the Cricut accessories that I was trying to tell you guys about. Some of this stuff I already had. I just collected it along the way over the years, like when I was working, and like I said, I just never used it. I didn't go out and buy this stuff all at once. The stuff that I got is on the bottom row, and they were on sale for $5. But this is a sticker paper. These are the Cricut accessories for weeding and applying and cutting the vinyl. Here are some of the colors. This is more like a foil or a textured vinyl. It's a metallic vinyl. This is a what do you call this? A holographic vinyl, and it has blues and pinks in there. This is just some transfer tape. We have this pretty pink. Then this is red and like a lilac purple, gray. This one is the foil. This color is the foil. And then we also have this holographic one that has more of the oranges and the reds. These are the ones that I already had. This is just an assortment of colors. This is by Sizer. This isn't Cricut, but Sizer has some really good ones. I got them all on sale. I didn't buy any of this full price. So when I was working, I had the funds to get some of this stuff. So this is my collection. And I will start Cricuting as soon as I set up my machine, which is in that box right there. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick view of the machine that I got, and I'm going to show you as I open the box what's inside, because this was a bonus kit that I got offline, and I literally paid the price of what you would pay for just the machine if it was on sale. I paid that for this entire package. So you can see the bonus items that are listed right there, and I'll just tell you what they are as I take them out of the box. Alright you guys, so this actually came with 3 mats, but these mats all have different textures. So one is the light hold, the standard grip, this one is the light grip, and this one is the strong grip. And the Cricut that I got is a blush pink color. So give me a second, let me take it out of the box and I will show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so we're back, and this is everything that came with my Cricut. Sorry, I had to lay everything out on my bed because I didn't have a big enough workspace to show you guys. This is everything that came in my box. This is the power cord. This is the cable to connect it to the computer, which this is a Bluetooth machine, but for the initial setup you do have to set it up using this cord, and then you can just make it Bluetooth. Here is the blade that comes with the machine. I was actually gonna buy markers because you can like do personalized cards to where the machine will write on the cards for you. So if you don't have good handwriting like myself, you can do calligraphy or any type of, it can draw for you, it can write names and notes and all that good stuff for you. They gave you a pack of pens, and I didn't know this was even part of the package, but whoop whoop. And this is just the instructions that came along with it. This is the actual machine. Here are the mats, and I also have the long mats that go along with this, and they're like twice the size. They're like this long. And here, let us take this machine out of the I'm sorry, you guys. I'm trying to do this with one hand so you guys can see. You see, this Cricut is a very light pink color. And so when you open it up, what do? You press this button over here. Oh, take this picture off. And then you press the button and it opens up. Voila! Say hello. I don't know what I'm gonna name her just yet, but this is what she looks like. This stainless steel looks so cute along with the pink. I have to take out all of this little stuffing and stuff that goes along there. Oh, and I think it might have come with the blade already and it gave us the extra. I'm not sure what this is or if there's a blade inside of there. So yeah, it might have just came with an extra blade that I just didn't know about it. Now that I've showed you guys all the accessories that I have to go with my Cricut, I know it seems like a lot. Like I said, I didn't get all that stuff at one time. I got this Cricut almost a year ago, and I've just been buying things like slowly but for surely. And I'm like, okay, one day I'm gonna use it, and I actually had time to pull it out today. So I'm gonna go over to my computer and show you guys how I set up my account for Cricut in their design space, which is where you actually go to upload your arts and craft projects. And we'll see the different types of things they have over in their Cricut design space. So let's go ahead and get right into that. Now that we've set up our Cricut design space, let's go ahead and set up our machine. So the first thing that we're going to do is take our power cord and connect it to the back of the Cricut machine and plug it into the wall. So in case we get lost along the way doing this, I do have my instruction manual right here, which I doubt I will need because it's pretty like cut and dry what we need to do. And then I'm going to take the connector cable that goes from the machine to the computer, and I'm going to connect the two. So like I said previously, for the initial setup we do have to connect the machine using the cord, and then once we get it all connected to our computer, we can go and change our settings to turn the Cricut machine on to Bluetooth. And once we do that, the machine has a little light on it for the power button that's usually white, but as soon as you connect it to the Bluetooth, it changes the light to blue. So I'm going to show you guys what that's like. So I ended up getting my device set up with Bluetooth. I ended up doing it myself. I initially tried to get help from the live chat with the people on the Cricut help site, and they helped me connect it to the computer using my USB cord, but I ended up having to like just play with it to get my machine to connect with Bluetooth. But this is my initial cut with the machine. I just wanted to come on and show you guys what I actually had, and I will see you guys in our next Cricut tutorial video.